everybody. How you guys doing? This is Sensei JD Olsen here at the Martial Art Unlimited Association YouTube channel, and I'm coming at you from my gym, Keisha Dojo Martial Arts Unleashed, right here in Sumter, South Carolina. And I had a question on one of my other videos. If you are new to the world of karate, what are the first strikes that you should be practicing? So I thought I'd make a video on it. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, when it comes to the world of karate, if you're new to the world of karate and you're working strikes, first things first, anytime our hands are closed, we refer to that as a punch. Anytime that we're not using a closed fist, it's a strike. So, if I'm hitting with the elbow, hitting with the knee, hitting with the palm, hitting with the ridge hand, hitting with the knife hand, all of those are strikes. And then anytime my hands are closed, these are all punches. Hook punches, uppercut punches, four-fist punches, hammer fist punches, you name it. But closed hand represents punch, open hand represents strike. So the first strike that I think everybody should have is the palm heel strike. So that would be this strike here. Whether you choose to do your fingers like this, or you choose to have your hand open, we had all kinds of different ways we did it back in Taekwondo and karate, but this would be your first one. And so hitting a target, you're palming, you're hitting it straight. And if I had to break boards and stuff, that was always the first one I used because it was always the easiest for me. So your first strike, palm heel strike. What's nice about the palm heel, Guro and Asano showed us that you can replace even like hook punches with a slapping palm. So I can go jab, cross, hook, uppercut. I can do boxing combinations with my palms if I'm hurting the outside of my hands, or maybe just bunching is starting to hurt me. Maybe I don't have the proper gloves and I'm tearing my hands up on these bags. You can do everything palm heel. So palm is your first strike, I think the most important. Second is going to be your elbow strikes. Okay? You have all kinds of elbows. You have horizontal elbows, you have diagonal elbows, you have diagonal down elbows, you have vertical elbows, you have downward elbows, you even have back elbows. You have all kinds of elbow strikes. And the important thing to get is when I do my elbow strike, I'm rotating my palm. So my palm is outward. So my elbow, these two bones here are twisting, and so rotate that. Don't hit this way, okay? Flip it over. Elbow strikes is your second one. What elbow strike you choose to practice is gonna be up to you. I would say definitely get that horizontal elbow down and the vertical elbows down probably first, and then add in your diagonals, add in your down, add in your back elbows, in not necessarily in that order, but just make sure you have at least the elbow strike. So palm and elbow. Third one is going to be your knife hand, your karate chop, okay, or your Judy chop if you're like Austin Powers fan. So your knife hand strike would be my next one. And again, I can replace different techniques. Maybe I can palm, I can knife hand strike. Instead of hammer fisting, you can knife hand strike, okay? So having that knife hand strike is going to be really beneficial to your striking, your training. So make sure you practice that. The next one is going to be your knee strike, using those knees. Elbows and knees, I put in pretty close. I might even put the knee strike above the elbow. This is just your top 5. So knee strike would be super critical, okay? As you're learning how to palm, you can also learn how to knee. Make sure you're getting those knee strikes and those elbow strikes in there. Now you have your knife hand strike. And last but not least, you have your ridge hand strike. I always liked the ridge hand strike, especially when I was super dedicated to all my karate training. I practiced ridge hand striking for breaking boards. I practiced ridge hand striking for all of the cool stuff like that. And I even played with, instead of throwing hook punches, ridge hand striking. If you haven't seen it, there's the old movie, The Perfect Weapon with Sensei Jeff Speakman from probably like 92, 91. And that's what they're doing, is they're, instead of hook punching him, they're ridge hand striking him in one of the fight scenes. And I know it's an old cheesy movie, but it's still one of my old time favorites. I really liked it. And I actually got to go to a school when I was growing up in Chicago, and I went to a school where Jeff Speakman trained, so it was actually pretty awesome. But those are your 5 strikes. So you have your palm heel, you have your elbow, you have your knee, you have your knife hand, and you have your ridge hand strike. Okay, you can ridge hand strike to the groin, ridge hand strike to the face, ridge hand strike to the face this way. You can come down on top for whatever reason. And so those are your 5 strikes you should be training right out the gate. Awesome, when you made the end of the video, you know what I'm gonna ask. Do me a favor, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you feel there's a strike that I missed that's more important, put it in the comment section below. I'd be really curious to see what you guys think. Or maybe you agree with my list, and go ahead and put in the comments below if you agree. Next, go ahead and do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, as it really helps out our channel, helps the YouTube algorithm. And then finally, last but not least, hit that bell icon, a ding ding, so you know the next video is coming out from all of us here at the Martial Art Limited Association. Also, look at this chart right here. 90+% of our watchers are not subscribers. So do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're watching the video and you like what you see. Cool. Well, you guys stay safe, keep training. This is Sensei JD, keep your hands up, and I'm out.